Hello students, I am Subhashish. Have you ever wondered how to find the height of a tree or the length of a shadow without actually measuring it directly? Trigonometry, a branch of mathematics, comes to the rescue. It helps us calculate distances and angles using basic information. Think about it like this: when you know a little, you can discover a lot. Imagine you are out camping and want to figure out the height of a tree. By using trigonometric ratios and a basic understanding of angles, you can solve real-world puzzles without any fancy equipment. Learning outcomes. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to understand the method of using trigonometric tables for angle calculations, apply trigonometric ratios to find values of various angles, calculate areas of right angle triangles using trigonometry, relate trigonometry to real world scenarios and measurements. Keywords from this lesson are trigonometric tables, angle calculation, right triangle, mean difference, acute angle, triangle area, angle of elevation. In the previous lesson, we have learned to calculate the trigonometric ratios for angles 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. However, during certain situations, we need to calculate the trigonometric ratios of all the other acute angles. Hence, we need to know the method of using trigonometric tables. 1 degree is divided into 60 minutes and 1 minute is divided into 60 seconds. Thus, 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. The trigonometric tables give the values correct to 4 places of decimals for the angles from 0 degrees to 90 degrees, spaced at intervals of 60 minutes. A trigonometric table consists of 3 parts. A column on the extreme left, which contains degrees from 0 degrees to 90 degrees, followed by 10 columns headed by 0 minutes, 6 minutes, 12 minutes, 18 minutes, 24 minutes, 30 minutes, 36 minutes, 42 minutes, 48 minutes and 54 minutes. 5 columns under the head mean difference have values from 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. For angles containing other measures of minutes, that is other than 0 minutes, 6 minutes, 12 minutes, 18 minutes, 24 minutes, 30 minutes, 36 minutes, 42 minutes, 48 minutes and 54 minutes. The appropriate adjustment is obtained from the mean difference columns. The mean difference is to be added in the case of sine and tangent, while it is to be subtracted in the case of cosine. Now, let us understand the calculation of values of trigonometric angle from the following examples. Example: find the value of sin 64 degrees 34 minutes. Solution. Given 64 degrees 34 minutes, it can be written as 64 degrees 30 minutes plus 4 minutes. From the sine table, we can get the respective values. The table consists of degrees in the extreme left column and minutes values in the remaining columns. From the table, we can get sin 64 degrees 30 minutes value as 0.9026. And for the 4 minutes, we will find out the value of 4 minutes from the mean difference column, that is 5. Mean differences to be added for sine. So, by adding, we get sin 64 degrees 34 minutes value as 0.9031. Example. Find the value of cos 19 degrees 59 minutes. Solution. Given cos 90 degrees 59 minutes can be written as 90 degrees 54 minutes plus 5 minutes. From the table, we can get cos 90 degrees 54 minutes value as 0.9403. Mean difference to be subtracted for cosine. So, cos 19 degrees 59 minutes is equal to 0.9398. Example. Find the value of tan 70 degrees 13 minutes. Solution. Given tan 70 degrees 13 minutes can be written as 70 degrees 12 minutes plus 1 minute. From the table, we get tan 70 degrees 12 minutes value as 2.7776. Mean difference for 1 minute is equal to 26. Mean differences to be added for tan. So, tan 70 degrees 13 minutes is equal to 2.7802. Example. Find the value of sin 38 degrees 36 minutes plus tan 12 degrees 12 minutes. Solution. From the sine table, sin 38 degrees 36 minutes, we get value as 0.6239. And from the tan table, tan 12 degrees 12 minutes, we get its value as 0.2162. So, adding both the values, we get 0.6239 plus 0.2162 is equal to 0.8401. Example. Find the value of tan 60 degrees 25 minutes minus cos 49 degrees 20 minutes. Solution. From the tan table, tan 60 degrees 24 minutes is equal to 1.7603. And mean difference 1 minute is equal to 0.0012, Adding both the values, we get as 1.7615. From the cos table, cos 49 degrees 18 minutes is equal to 0.6521. And mean difference 2 minutes is equal to 0.0004. By subtracting them, we get 0.6517. Now, substitute both the values in the given expression. That is 1.7615 minus 0.6517 is equal to 1.1098. Example: find the value of theta if sin theta is equal to 0.9858. Solution: sin theta is equal to 0.9858 can be written as 0.9857 plus 0.001. Because we cannot find the value of 0.9858 from the table. So, we are selecting the nearby value of 0.9858 from the table. From the sine table, 0.9857 is equal to 80 degrees 18 minutes and mean difference 1 is equal to 2 minutes. 0.9858 is equal to 80 degrees 20 minutes. Sin theta is equal to 0.9858 is equal to sin 80 degrees 20 minutes. So, theta is equal to 80 degrees 20 minutes. Let us see another example. Find the value of theta if cos theta is equal to 0.7656. Solution: cos theta is equal to 0.7656 can be written as 0.7660 minus 0.0004. Because we cannot find the value of 0.7656 from the table. So, we are selecting the nearby value of 0.7656 from the table. From the cosine table, 0.7660 is equal to 40 degrees 0 minutes and mean difference 4 is equal to 2 minutes. Zero 0.7656 is equal to 40 degrees 2 minutes. Cos theta is equal to 0.7656 is equal to cos 40 degrees 2 minutes. Theta is equal to 40 degrees 2 minutes. Points to remember: in the trigonometric table, 1 degree is divided into 60 minutes and 1 minute is divided into 60 seconds. Thus, 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Trigonometric table provide values for angles from 0 degrees to 90 degrees at intervals of minutes and seconds. When using trigonometric tables, mean differences are added for sine and tangent calculations and subtracted for cosine calculations. Thanks for watching.